Alright, Sam, tell me what you think about this configuration here. Everything you see is 100% ready to go, configured. Just kind of let me know what you think. I'll try to do this with one hand here. Well, these are the controls. Oh, this is your right stick. That's your roll. See pitch up and down. And this is your throttle collective combination. And your anti-torque. Alright. Here's all your instrumentation and your graphic display. Everything you see is live data. Let's move our helicopter around a little bit. You can see its attitude. Right in the middle screen is our data. Zoom in here. And that's us right there.